Bokashi composting? Because it's actually one of the most simplest system to accommodate the current food waste generation by households. Current household produces up to 50% of the waste being transported to the landfills. So Bokashi system is a 2-week system where it comprises of a bin and the compost starter called Bokashi. First of all, it is very easy to be used, very economical, and most importantly, it's very friendly. Why it has to be user friendly? Because we like to attract the younger generations to be part of the system. This is the most important thing for us to achieve. As we are moving forward for future, the younger generations have to pick up home composting to reduce the food waste in future.
Kitco bin is one of the best bins in the market. It's basically from Japan. It is highly durable and will last more than 5 years. It's basically a 2-week system. In the first week, what you do is you build layers of everyday food waste and with Bokashi. On the second week, we just let it rest for the fermentation to take place. So after what happens after 2 weeks? On the third week, the content from the Kitco bin should be buried in soil either on a composting station or directly into your garden. In another 2 weeks, the buried pre-compost will turn into rich, nutritious compost, which you can use it to plant a lot of your produce and vegetables and fruits. There are plenty of ways to design your garden using this Bokashi compost.
We are revolutionizing the concept of from farm to table into the concept of from garden to table. With the widening use of heavy pesticides in commercial farms, truly the safest food is grown in our own homes. We will be marketing community gardeners with our barter trading system.
Bring your freshly harvested edibles to our store for exchange, something you like, or we offer store credits.
Okay.
Go green, go natural!
From homes, which is actually 50% of it goes to the landfill. Actually most of it goes to the landfill. That is it. It actually comprises, okay, we shouldn't be doing that. Okay, one more time.
Just don't say
Okay.
Means, sorry. Itu lah. No, bawah.
Stores
I missed one line. Sorry.
exchange for something you.
No, I missed out the other line. Oh, ya ke? Wait, sorry. Ya ke? Tak boleh. Oh, boleh edit dah.
You already do like this. And exchange for something you like, or we offer the store credits.
Can see I nampak sana.
Credits for your.
What are you talking about?
Did you get it?
Tak rekod.
But why are you laughing?
No,